All right, welcome back, everybody. If you don't have a bidet toilet seat, you need to get one because, yeah, you just need to get one. So today we're going to go over how to install one of these. This is a non-electric version, and just going to go over real quickly how to go about installing it. So the first step to installing anything like this is first you need to cut off the water source. All right, so let's see, there it is. Okay, so you cut off the water. You drain the water in the tank by flushing it. And we'll go to the second step once the water is kind of taken out of the tank. All right, here's a little hack. So whenever you drain the tank, there would usually be like an inch of water left. What I like to do is just take some paper towels, soak it in the water, and just put one end. Two hands for this. Just put one end into the well and go for lunch or something like that. And in 15 minutes or so, all the water will be evacuated. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. This one worked faster than usual. So you could tell most of the water is drained. Now we need to drain the water because we need to untether the supply line to connect the washing mechanism. All right, so first thing we got to do is we got to take this old static seat out. And while we do that, let's go ahead and untether the supply line so the water that's already in there can get out. And put some sort of catch underneath because, you know, you'll always end up with a little bit of water. All right, to remove these seats, you pop this cap. There's a nut underneath this nylon screw, and just gotta disassemble it and lift the whole thing out. All right, so there's the seat out. And tell us about our helper, Coco.
Well, this is Coco. He likes to help in jobs that require 0 dogs to complete successfully.
Outstanding. So these are all the parts we need. Here's the T-junction for the water supply line. This is the rest that we will kind of snap the seat into when we're done. So don't throw these parts away. These are specific to your bidet toilet seat. All right, now that we have a clean canvas to work from, take your bracket and lay it down like this. And you'll see the direction of the arrow. What we're going to do when this is established is we're going to take the new toilet seat and just slide it in. All right. All right, now with the clean slate, first thing you got to do is take this grommet and we got to insert it first. Now what this thing will do is once we put the threads on top, the bolt, it'll draw this small part upwards like this and lock the mechanism in place. So that's what we do. That's one. That's two. And now try to center it the best we can just by eyeballing it. And we thread the mobile brackets and the bolt through, and that's it. And while we're waiting for the power drill to help us establish the bracket, my buddy Dave already installed the 3-way supply line. Everything was hand tightened, and we're just waiting for the seat to come in. Now the bracket's established, we're just kind of porting out the supply line into the bidet toilet seat. So this is the mounting end of the bidet toilet seat. Now if you see on the right side here, there's a button. Once it's installed, if you want to take it out, you just depress this button and pull it outwards, like that. So we're going to show you how to install it. There, that's it. So we're going to take it out because the lip is showing, and we're going to pull the bracket out a little more. So push down on the button and just pull out. Now for the final step, we just take the cover off the nipple and holy cow, this thing is in tight. Jeez. Connect this end, take the cover off.
Wait, do we want to twist it how it was?
Again, we're hand tightening everything before we bring out the big gun. Now this is, the water is stopped by a gasket, so you shouldn't need much else besides that. All right, moment of truth. Let's put our leak detector down. Looking pretty good so far. All right, so there you have it. This is how you install a bidet toilet seat. You should get one. Links in the description below. Bye.